Hi all, my name is Fatima. Today we are going to discuss about class AVES and the external features of its example pigeon. Firstly, salient features of AVES. They are warm-blooded, oviparous, bipedal, feathered, winged and toothless vertebrates with a tetralocular heart, elaborate respiratory mechanism, exceedingly high body temperature, intense metabolism, and great power for flight. They have exoskeletal covering of feathers and scales. Jaws are modified into toothless beak or bill covered by an epidermal sheath called rhamphotheca. Their wings are the modified forelimbs. This as an adaptation for flight. And they have 3 digits in the forelimb, 4 or less in hind limb. Preen gland is the only cutaneous gland present in aves. Hollow or pneumatic bones present in their body as to reduce body weight. Monocondylian and diapsid skull. Trunk vertebrae are mostly fused. Neck vertebrae are heterocylous. Large and keeled sternum present in flight birds and absent in non-flying birds. Syrinx is the characteristic sound-producing organ. Pectoral girdle has a characteristic V-shaped furcula or wishbone. Pelvic girdle is greatly elongated. Metanephric kidneys and uricotelic excretion. Right ovary and right oviduct is absent in adults. Olfactory organs are poorly developed, so their smelling ability is less. Eyes are provided with sclerotic plates and pectin. Eggs are shelled, amniote, and heavily yolked. These are some of the common features of aves or birds. And several avian characters are shared by some reptilian group like bipedality, pneumatic bones, reduced number of fingers, etc. And birds also share with mammals like warm-bloodedness, tetralocular heart, etc. Next is the example of class aves, blue rock pigeon. Body of pigeon has 4 divisions: head, neck, trunk and tail. Head bears the terminal mouth bordered by toothless upper and lower jaws. Jaws are modified into beak covered by rhamphotheca. Serrae is a sensitive skin at the base of upper beak. Between beak and serrae are 2 external nostrils. Eyes are guarded by upper and lower eyelids and a movable nictitating membrane. Behind and below the eyes is a pair of auditory apertures. This is the picture of blue rock pigeon. Next is the trunk region. Trunk bears paired forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimb, it has 3 divisions, namely brachium, antebrachium and manus. Manus has 3 parts: carpus, metacarpus and digits. Digits are 3 in numbers. During flight, the wings are outstretched by muscular activities. This is a labeled diagram of blue rock pigeon. Hind limb, it has also 3 divisions: femur, crest and pes. Pes is well adapted for walking and perching. It has 2 parts: tarsometatarsus and digits or toes. Toes are 4 in number. Next is the tail region. Tail or europygium is only a stumpy conical projection of the trunk. At the junction between trunk and tail is the cloacal aperture. Tail is provided with a series of long feathers known as rectrices. The only cutaneous gland, as we said earlier, preen gland, is seen in tail region. Oily secretion of this gland is used for lubricating the feathers and also for keeping beak glossy and waterproof. Exoskeleton of pigeon includes feathers, scales on feet and toes, claws at the tips of toes, and beak with its rhamphotheca. Feathers are a unique feature of birds, and they are modified reptilian scales. Coloration of feathers is of two types, pigmentary and physical coloration. Pigments are deposited during development. Physical coloration is mainly due to the refraction of light. This is all about class Aves and blue rock pigeon. Thank you.